how to fix Skype black screen on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Skype black screen on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here you'll find Skype. Now all you need to do just click storage and click clear cache and then force stop. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. It's easy, but if that doesn't fix your problem then just come back here, go to storage, clear data, click OK and go back, try again, and if that also doesn't fix it then just go to Play Store, update your Skype, and if that also doesn't fix it, so just go to settings, click storage and then click clean up. Now just clean some space here and that's it. Try again and restart your phone and try again, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.